Good morning, Swati. Growth hacks.
ऑफिस तो पहुंचने दे भाई।
Swati, growth hacks.
मैं मीटिंग में हूँ, बिजी हूँ यार।
Swati, growth hacks.
कॉफी तो पीना दो। Hi, I'm Swati Pincha and I head growth at CoinSwitch.
So, Swati, what are the qualities of an OG growth hacker?
OG growth hacker. Well, I'd say first of all, it's having a very clear goal in mind. Second, it's going to be about understanding your user truly. Third, it's going to be about having a deep understanding of data. And fourth, being super creative about ideas and experiments. Those, for me, will be the 4 qualities of an OG growth hacker.
What's your secret sauce that helped you acquire 19 million customers in less than 2 years?
Well, it'll be a lie if I said it was just me and my team. Of course, the market played a big role in us acquiring 19 odd million users. But if I had to really pinpoint and look at what we did right, I think it was 2 main things. Figuring out the right message for our users that would resonate with them and understanding the distribution channels. Where did our users spend most of their time? For example, we went with this message called, start investing in BTC or crypto with just ₹100. What that did was that removed a lot of inhibition that a user has. He could start really small in a riskier asset class like crypto, but then that led to tremendous growth. I would also say that we had this rewards program where we gave out rewards in BTC. So when a user got, let's say, 100 rupees or 200 rupees worth of rewards, he would see those rewards growing up in his or her portfolio. That would again, make him want to invest in Bitcoin and other crypto asset classes. Our IPL ads, I think, did really well. I think that was a game changer for us as a company. And our print ads, thanks to the creative team and the brand team that we have, did extremely well and they went very viral. So I would say these are the few things that led us to the growth that we got in the last 2 years.
Crypto doesn't have any real playbook as such. How do you navigate through uncertainties while growth hacking?
Well, yeah, Tej, you're right. There is no playbook. So you basically just have to experiment and learn. So you start with a hypothesis कि यार मेरे user को ये चाहिए या ये नहीं चाहिए. You run that as an experiment and then you get your results. If it works, scale it up. If it doesn't, scrap, move to the next experiment. So I would say speed over perfection is the way to go about things.
What makes the future exciting for CoinSwitch's growth team?
I do not know if you know, but CoinSwitch is actually moving from just having crypto as an asset class to becoming a wealth tech platform. What that means is that we're going to have other asset classes as well. That gives the growth team multiple opportunities to play a big role. Number one, CoinSwitch is known with the crypto industry. This needs to change and we should be known as all things with money and investing. That's one. Second thing is marketing team needs to play the 0 to 1 game again, where they understand what message and the right distribution channels for us to be able to market and acquire users at the lowest CAC possible. Growth managers need to continuously optimize the funnel to get more people to invest in crypto as well as cross-sell other products that we'll be launching. So I think it's going to be an exciting journey for the growth team at CoinSwitch. Lot of hustle, lot of 0 to 1 game.
Okay, Swati, tell us why someone should not join CoinSwitch.
Well, you shouldn't join CoinSwitch if you cannot navigate your way through chaos. You should not join CoinSwitch if you're not okay wearing multiple hats. We've played the role of a copywriter, a designer, a product manager and whatnot, right? And if you do not know Satoshi Nakamoto, I'd suggest you should not join CoinSwitch. हो गया, मैं जाऊं, मैं जा रही हूं.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.